Outside the ship.
What was that? The door.
Jesus.
Okay, that was
fuck?
weird then.
Oh, Rocket in. Rocket!
What the fuck?
You can teleport him. You can save him by teleporting.
Where?
There's only one way. Yes.
Tell me the way. Do I have to sacrifice?
There's just
It's only
one.
one way.
There's just one.
Just
You
one.
have
do I
to
go?
buy the DLC.
Oh, screw you. Good feature.
Come this way.
What?
Bad.
Wait.
Jesus Christ.
You fucking bitch.
Oh my god, there's nothing.
How do you...
You almost jumped into the hole. Careful the line over here.
Hi!
Oh, don't look at him once and then look away. He gets angry.
Oh, wait, don't stare at him, don't stare at him.
Yeah.
He's gonna aggro us.
You're going through a special form.
Oh my god, he just died.
Who was that? What the fuck? Why is it attacking?
Don't ring the bell.
Oh.
Who got eaten? Oh, what made you biggest eat?
Oh yes, let's survive. Guys.
We lost quite a bit.
Welcome to our disciplinary
Oh, save me.
What the?
I want him falling.
Guys, I'm up here, guys.
What? Did you get up there?
Where are you?
On the
Where is
pipes.
he? Oh, I see.
Come back, come
I
back.
think we've...
Okay. It's fine.
Is
It's
there a
fine.
monster in there?
No, it's fine.
You ran off. You said.
Blah, blah.
Hey, I'm busy.
Hello, hello. There's a monster on you.
There's a
Bro,
little
it's looking at us.
apparently.
Oh, no.
What the fuck?
I'm
it
so
continue?
scared it's gonna...
Yeah.
No, I think it's too big. Huh?
Where someone could press E to land the ship by accident. Please do not do that. Press Q.
Hello? What the?
What was that?
Run.
No, it's going after me!
The light is working. Oh fuck, the light's not working. Lights on, I'm gonna die.
Move, move.
Guys.
Roar! Roar! Can't do shit, bro. You can't do shit.
Stay silent, it's gonna open in a second.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Fucking call sign. Call sign spawned. It was killed. 100% clearance.
Oi.
Probably is achievement for it.
Is someone gonna open the fucking door?
One more item at the value of 80. I don't know what that is.
We're gonna go watch football.
Level of
Surprises.
Moon is at 0% heat.
I don't know what unfair company is.
Oh god, what the... Possible. What is going on?
Oh!
Oh god.
Okay, pull the lever, I think. Because there's one where the mines chase you. Yeah, that's the mine one. You get this like invisible homing mines, and if you stand still, they blow up.
Skill issue.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this, man?
So we won't be together when we enter. Something like that.
Oh no.
Don't go down there, you die.
Oh no.
Get ready for a swim, bro.
Rub.
Get ready for a swim.
Dead.
Nah, he's swimming, but he's gonna die soon. Dead. What the hell?
And there goes the last one.
The sick jam. That's fine. We just click close door when he opens the door. Fuck! I missed. Oh my god. Wait. That is not cool. That is not. Fucking hell. Don't get caught by that thing, you die.
Yeah. Where are you?
Come here, come here.
Ah.
Wait for me. Where are you?
Come on.
Up, down? What?
Hold on, my boys.
Please.
Come on.
Am I going?
Come on.
Every time I do it, I fucking die. You can phase through people, but you can also nudge people.
No.
We have a Foxon. Do you have a key?
Yeah.
Do you have a key? No. Okay. Well, behind that door, there's loot. If you have key.
We in
Nice.
the dog.
You're not supposed to tell him that.
Oh. Almost.
There's nothing to our right.
Oh god. Someone keep looking in that direction. Oh god, run! Fucking run, fucking run.
Outside the ship. Is that in this round?
Oh.
Yep.
What was that?
Snap my nuts. Alright, don't look at
Yeah,
it.
she haunts you, and then
I think
tell him that.
On the camera. Oh my god. Are they dead?
What the? Did you save me?
Yep.
What the fuck?
Now get back there, go get your stuff.
Okay. Okay. You saved
Hey.
me.
Yeah, I say Finn, look.
What the fuck? Wah!
Shh.
We can't have you dying. And we have to stop you.
Arrest him, please.
Oh god, a ship of bombs!
How did you roll?
Is Rock gonna be the warden?
Go away. No.
Oh,
Hmm?
offense or march?
Either one would do.
Please stop making so much noise. Please go somewhere else. Oh god.
Please. Oh, please. Fuck's sake, Rock. Fucking hell, dude, really?
Can you see?
No, I can't. Look your hole. Serious, dude, come on.
Let's look that we've already. I'll stand in this thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Ow! Fucking next to me.
Good luck.
Fucking.
Stop talking, stop talking. That's fine.
Sorry, we got some light at the bottom of it.
Hey! There's lots of money.
Who died?
Come stand right here with me, Rock.
No, we will die.
Death.
Can't they? How was your kid? Wow.
Yo, guys, saw my body.
Go, go, go.
Let me in.
What?
If you see the little gold, just fuck, good luck, eh?
Hey, Thomas!
Oh, there's
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my fuck.
What?
Do not push me.
What is it?
Oh my gosh!
Oh
Fuck today.
Jump to this one. Oh, jump here, jump here.
Unlucky.
Thank you. Fucking hell.
Oh, what got food?
I couldn't jump on the fucking railing. See how much it's sold.
Okay, well, I'm waiting now. You got taken.
Yes, sus.
Hey guys.
No, going back.
Welcome back.
I just wanted the entrance.
Yeah. Hey, go take equipment. You might as well take equipment.
Who's this?
I'm here. Holy fuck.
Run. Run.
Who's that?
I can't move.
Forgot to pick up the present.
That came out of the present. That came out of the present.
Oh, okay. That's kind of cool.
This is stupid, but so funny.
The reactor.
Okay, I can't sell anything. Oh god, dude, really?
Who keeps doing that?
It's in until we make our quota, then we can go to rend.
Alright.
Hey,
Oh wait.
man.
Oh, yeah.
Joel.
Yeah, so.
How did he knock the spider?
Back, you there?
There's two of them.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Yo,
I fucked my jump. Pull the lever, pull the lever.
Dude,
Pull the lever. Pull the lever, holy shit.
come on.
Oh no! Everything's going.
Good gun, bro.
Oh,
What the fuck is that?
What?
Something in front of you?
Oh. Yeah, I got.
I didn't know what it was.
It was one on the ground.
I'm gonna have a shower.
Hey, get out of here.
What the fuck happened? Oh, okay.
Move it.
Bounce for us, Rock.
I'm trying.
Do it, slut.
down to that bitch.
Well, we have stun grenades.
Stop looking at me like that. Your hands go on the glass.
Throw the hand grenade in him, in the shower.
No! No! I'm concussed. Stop pointing at me.
As you have not met the target quota, your performance has been deemed below standard.